if you've ever wanted to speak English with a clear, confident British accent, then you are in the right place, because in this program, I'm going to guide you step by step process that to transform the way you speak English so that you can sound more natural, more confident, and more authentic when speaking or using British pronunciation accent. We're of course talking about the modern RP pronunciation. So this course is designed for learners who want just more than vocabulary, grammar. This is about how you sound more confident. This is about how you sound more British, because the truth is, pronunciation and accent play a massive role when it comes like in communication, confidence, and how others understand you, okay? And that's exactly what we're going to work on together in this program. What this course is about. This course focuses on developing a clear, natural British pronunciation, especially a standard British accent, which is often known as a modern RP pronunciation, or even RP, spoken quite a lot in the south of England. And the accent is commonly heard on British media and even formal communications. So now, if you're looking to improve your pronunciation and you want to have that a modern RP pronunciation, then this course is for you. But this course is not just about memorizing grammar rules. It's about training your ear, your mouth, and of course your speech habits so that you can sound more confident and to become a confident English speaker. By the end of this program, which I've launched it, you will understand how British sounds are produced. This is the step one. You will understand how British sounds are produced, how pronunciation of vowels and consonants are important, and how to connect sounds naturally, and how stress, rhythm, works in British pronunciation speech, and of course finally how to speak more clearly and more confidently. So what you will learn in this course, hopefully that the course is structured in clear step-by-step system. We begin with a foundation of British pronunciation sounds that English has dozens of unique sounds, and mastering them in the first step, or in the first place, to improving your accent, okay? Many pronunciation courses focuses on 44 to 45 core sounds that is from building the blocks of accent. But in this course, which I'll focus on only British pronunciation to help you sound more British, okay? And in this course, you will learn the core sounds that of British English. We will start with the fundamentals, okay? Short vowels, long vowels, diphthongs, consonant sounds, and even difficult sounds of combinations. And of course, you have got a benefit where you talk to me one-to-one, WhatsApp, and you will be able to give me any sort of things that I struggle with, and we can work together as well. And you will learn how each sounds are produced, how your mouth moves, and how to reproduce accurately the words, pronunciation, even longer vowels and short vowels. I know pronunciation is not going to happen overnight, but if you put a lot of work and if you put quite a lot of dedication, you will get there. So the second thing that we're going to be focusing on is word pronunciation. Well, next we will be applying the thousands, okay, or even millions. I don't know, it's not going to be millions, but hopefully if you struggle with a bit specific words, then we can work together and to help you master it. You will learn the common pronunciation patterns, okay? Silent letters, stress in multisyllable words, frequently mispronounced words at the same time. At this stage, which will help you to move from isolated sounds to real spoken English. And of course, sentences, rhythm, and connected speech. Speaking naturally isn't just about individual sounds, okay? Native speakers connect words together in specific ways. In this part of the course, you will learn word linking, weak forms, and even natural rhythm, sentence stress, intonation patterns, and these features are what truly makes a speech sound native and fluent. And of course, accent training and practice. Okay, step 4 will be focusing on your accent training and practice. You will practice with me one-to-one as well. Throughout the program, you will practice speaking guided exercises. These included listening practice, shadowing exercises, and even repetition training and pronunciation drills, speaking practice as well. So accent training works the best with a consistent practice. So the course is designed to help you train your pronunciation step by step. What makes this course different? Okay, the course that I've launched, what makes it different? This program is designed to be simple, practical, and even focus on results. Okay, and instead of overwhelming you with a theory, the lessons are designed to help you hear the difference between the sounds and of course understand how they are produced, and of course practice them repeatedly and use them in the real speech. All the lessons are recorded. Okay, so if you want to record them, you will record them. We'll have one-to-one Zoom call as well during the lessons, during the practice and everything at your own pace. Okay, and review them whenever you want. Okay, speak with a British accent. That means you can practice as many times as you can because you recorded the video and that sounds became natural. I believe this is going to help you. This is going to help you to sound even more fluent, okay, more confident, and to improve your communication skills. What this course is for, okay, this course is perfect for you if you want to sound more British when you speak in English, if you want with a clear pronunciation, if you feel your accent holding you back, if you want to improve your speaking and confidence at the same time, or of course, are you learning English for work, travel, or even for study? It's suitable to intermediate to advanced English learners and who want to refine how they sound. Okay, so what you would expect in this course. Now, it's important that to say something honestly, and learning a new accent does not happen overnight. Okay, accent changes. Okay, it's changed quite a lot if you put quite a lot of work, quite a lot of dedication, quite a lot of attention at the same time. So consistent listening, repetition, practice. But if you follow the lessons, practice regularly, and stay patient, you will notice a real improvement. The goal of this course is of course to help you sound more clearly, more natural, and feel more confident when speaking English. So your accent transform starts here. So if you're ready to improve your pronunciation and start developing a clear British accent, this course will guide you step by step, and you will have access to all the lessons throughout the membership platform, where you will learn, practice, and track your progress. Yeah, I mean, it's completely fine. You can take your time with the lessons, repeat them, and practice speaking out loud, because the more you practice, the better the natural accent will become. So that's all about it. So if you're ready to transform the way you speak, join the course and start the lesson today, and you begin your journey towards speaking English with a confident British pronunciation accent. Looking forward to seeing you inside the course.